Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to rate anime on my anime list. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Certainly, to rate an anime on my anime list using your Android device, you have to follow these steps. Start by opening the MyAnimeList app on your device if you haven't already been. If you haven't downloaded already it yet, and if you do, log into your account. Use the search feature to find the anime you want to rate. You can't search for the anime's title. Once you've found the anime search icon, now tap on its title to go to the anime's page, and here you'll find the details about the anime, including its synopsis, episodes, and user ratings. On the anime's page, you'll find an option to rate the anime. This is usually represented by the stars or a numerical scale. Tap on the rating section. Now select the star or numerical score that you want to give to the anime. You can't choose a rating from 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest score. Some apps might also allow half star ratings for more precise evaluations. After selecting your rating, there will be an option to submit or save your rating. Tap on it to confirm your rating. Optionally, you can add a review or comment about the anime to provide more context for your rating. This step is not mandatory, but it can help other users understand your perspective better. Once you're satisfied with your rating and any additional comments, save or submit your rating. Your rating will be recorded for that specific anime title. By following these steps, you can easily rate anime titles on my anime list. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.